Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up audio and video settings in WebEx. So first, of course, head over and launch your WebEx app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now start by joining a meeting. And once you try to join a meeting, you'll see a preview window first. Here you can choose how you want to connect audio. Click on this drop down button. You have an option to choose your computer audio, which uses your PC's mic and speakers. Also, if you have an external microphone device connected on your PC, you can choose it also. Or you can also choose to mute if you don't want to connect your audio. Next, you can also set up your video settings in this preview window just by clicking on the drop down menu beside Stop Video or the Video Options menu. Start by choosing your camera device. It could be your built in camera, USB webcam, or virtual camera. And here you can also see a live preview of your camera, turn on backgrounds or blur for privacy. And once everything is set, you can proceed by joining your meeting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!